So everybody knows these battery doors, and even you can't shut it, right? So you have to do this, and over time it breaks. It's kind of a design flaw. I don't know if Clearcom overthought this, over-engineered it, or maybe a lot of user error, but they break a lot. And they realized that, so they made this door. And the part number for that is right here. You can buy these yourself, and they are $10. So completely worth it. And what you need to swap the door is just two things. You need a #1 Phillips screwdriver and a star head size T9. If you look at this one right here, the T9 goes in here, pulls out one screw, and then the Phillips goes right here, and there's another one right there, and you get two Phillips head screws out, #1 Phillips head. Then the door simply opens up, take the battery out, and this pops right off. Take this piece, you don't have to slide it or anything, put it right over the holes. Push it down, lock it shut, and then you're going to put the two Phillips back in, seat those, and then take this one part, two D-rings, place that over it, and then we are going to replace this one T9 star head. And what you get at the end of all of that is this guy right here with this wonderful door. And it's a super easy swap. I highly recommend it. And not trying to throw shade on Clearcom, but I think they even realized the problem with these. So that's it. Have a great day.
Remember to like and subscribe.